Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by picking a genuinely transparent asset, PNG or SVG, because JPG won't work. Once done, move that file into your site folder and reference it with a relative path. Now add an img src equals /images/your image, PNG alt equals, or set background image in CSS. This first step lets you see transparency immediately. Make sure your HTML and CSS files are saved, and you're viewing the page in a modern browser to avoid legacy rendering quirks. Next, you'll control how the transparent image sits and interacts with the page. In CSS, set background size and position so the image scales cleanly. Once positioned, try Mix Blend mode or adjust opacity to blend with underlying colors. This explains why some transparencies look washed out. For an img element, set display and responsive sizing rules so it doesn't overflow. Also check stacking context and z-index when overlapping elements, because these determine which background shows through. To finish, verify you exported the file with an actual alpha channel and not flattened transparency. That's the common mistake. Once verified, test across browsers and devices, clear caches, and do a hard reload to ensure you're seeing the latest assets. If you see halos or unwanted backgrounds, re-export from your image editor with premultiplied alpha off or use SVG with proper fill rules. If problems persist, inspect computed styles and layering to find what's covering or altering the transparency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.